just 2 minutes. Fall is here and today we are at Valley View Farm. We have been here before if you want to check out our previous video. But let's see what new things they have for us to explore in this visit. They have been here in Cockeysville for a while. They're celebrating 60 years. Let's enter a maze.
Let's go inside.
When you think of pumpkins, you think of orange and round. But when you come here to Valley View Farms, they prove you wrong. There are many varieties of pumpkins here. Check out this 2,005-pound pumpkin. Look at these decorative corns. Very interesting. There are many people working hard to keep this place nice and tidy. It's not even Halloween, but when we were roaming around, we saw Christmas decorations. Look at this mini Christmas village. We also found some Halloween decorations. They also have a fish house and a water garden and bird supply. There's also fish here. We had a nice tour here at Valley View Farm and we saw many interesting things. So when you have a chance, come visit Valley View Farms. And until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!